Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix microphone echo on Windows 11, 10 PC and laptop. First method is type mmmsys.cpl in Windows search bar, click mmmsys.cpl. Click Recording tab, select your microphone, click Set Default, click Properties. Click Listen tab, uncheck Listen to this device. Change to 80, change microphone boost to 0. Uncheck Enable Audio Enhancements. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. First update driver. Second disable and enable device. Third uninstall device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.